Hey guys, I want to get in here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. I'm giving you permission. I am giving you permission. If you want to take some time off, you take a day off, an hour off, take an hour early off, take an hour, go in an hour later. I'm giving you permission. I'm giving you permission to relax. I'm giving you permission. Now, you give yourself permission to relax, to chill, to not worry so much about things. I'm giving you permission to be happy. I am giving you permission. You give yourself permission to be happy. Nobody can make you happy, and I've said it before, but you. So I'm giving you permission to be happy and for you to relax, take some time off, and love life. I give you permission to love life. You can do it. You have to. Nobody's going to love it but you. Nobody can do it but you. So, I'm giving you permission. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I'm sending you a hug, and I hope you feel it. And I'm giving you permission to hug someone else. I love you. Until tomorrow.